In today's video, I have a very special speaker to show you, the Audio Pro C20 wireless multi-room speaker. This speaker is the versatile all-in-one solution for music and TV, featuring AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect, and multi-room capability. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about this amazing speaker and why you should consider getting one for yourself. The Audio Pro C20 is the newest addition to the Audio Pro family, which has been making high-quality speakers for over 45 years. The Audio Pro C20 is designed to be the complete solution for both music and TV, as it can connect to a variety of sources, both wired and wireless, and deliver powerful and immersive sound. The C20 has a sleek and elegant design, with a wooden cabinet and a removable fabric front cover that attaches magnetically. You can choose from 3 color options: soft satin white, stylish gray, or classic black. The C20 has a lot of features that make it stand out from other speakers. Let's start with the wireless capabilities. The C20 supports Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Audio Pro Multiroom, Bluetooth, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect. This means you can stream music from your favorite apps and services and control the speaker with your voice, your phone, or your tablet. You can also create a multi-room system with other Audio Pro speakers and play different music in different rooms, or sync them together for a party mode. The C20 also works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can ask them to play music, adjust the volume, or change the settings. But the C20 is not just a wireless speaker. It also has a lot of wired connections for those who prefer a more traditional setup. The C20 has an ARC input, which allows you to connect it to your TV via an HDMI cable and enjoy the sound from your movies and shows. The ARC input also supports Dolby Digital and DTS for a more cinematic experience. The C20 also has a built-in phonostage, which means you can connect your turntable directly to the speaker and listen to your vinyl records. The C20 also has a dedicated line in for connecting other devices like CD players or even your phone or tablet if you want to use a cable. The C20 also has a sub-out, which lets you connect an external subwoofer like the Audio Pro SW5 or SW10 for even more bass performance. The C20 has a powerful sound on its own, with 190 watts of power and a frequency range of 41-23,500 Z. It has 2 1-inch soft dome tweeters and one 6.5-inch coated paper mid-woofer, which deliver clear highs, balanced mids, and deep lows. The C20 also has a built-in RIAA amplifier, which ensures a high-quality sound from your turntable. The C20 has a wide soundstage and can fill a large room with sound. You can also adjust the bass and treble levels using the buttons on the speaker or the Audio Pro app. The C20 is very easy to use and has a simple and intuitive interface. On the top of the speaker, you will find 6 preset buttons, which you can assign to your favorite radio stations, playlists, or albums using the Audio Pro app. You can also use the app to control the volume, switch between sources, and access more settings and features. The C20 also comes with a remote control, which has the same functions as the app, plus a mute button. The C20 also has an LED indicator, which shows the status and the source of the speaker. The C20 is a great speaker for anyone who loves music and TV and wants a versatile and powerful speaker that can handle any source in any scenario. The C20 is available from mid-February at a recommended retail price of $550. You can find more information about the C20 and other Audio Pro products on their website or on their social media pages. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the C20. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.